Hello friends, my name is Sean Dunham. I'm a project manager at the exhibit house. We've been working on developing the new EasyAssist display to ship to you guys coast to coast so you can show it to your potential clients. So here we have right off the bat our Pelican Air case. We will go ahead and open it up. You will see inside the foam is custom cut to fit the EasyAssist display. We'll go ahead and take the top layer out. Put this on the side. We'll grab the EasyAssist display with the 910TC switch on the face. Place it next to it. You will find in a red bag that is contained on top of the box. We will have these dowel rod legs. You will put the dowel rods in each corner. There are magnets hidden inside the unit and then magnets also inside the dowel rods. Once those are attached, you'll go ahead, pick it up, and then lift it straight down on the table you're working on. Inside the box, the next layer under the foam is the base for the EasyAssist. We will take out this base. Perfect, thank you. I'm going to adjust the EasyAssist display. All right, now that the base is flipped on its back with the dowel legs, we'll go ahead and add the base to it with the thumb screws that were provided. So we'll send 7 to 8 thumb screws per kit. You will only need 6 at a time. I would recommend not tightening them all the way until all 6 are placed in the screw inserts in the bottom of the display. All right, that is my 6th one. Now that they're all inserted, I'm going to tighten them down. The EasyAssist has a lot of torque when it's being operated, so we'll need to make sure that the base is securely tightened to the header. And there we have it. Take the dowel rods off, don't need those anymore. And now we'll get it plugged in. So it comes with a 6-foot extension cable. Sometimes you'll need it, sometimes maybe not. I do not need it today. All right, guys, we're plugged in. I will now wave my hand over the 910TC and activate the EasyAssist. Opens nice and smooth. Access just got easier. Opens and then closes right on cue. All right, now that the unit has opened and closed, we'll go ahead and pack it back up for our next display. So go ahead and turn off the switch. Obviously unplug it from the wall. We'll re-add the dowel rods to the back corners, and then we will flip it on its side for removal of the base. Come around and we'll unscrew all the thumb screws. All right, now that the thumb screws are removed, we'll go ahead and pack it back up in the case. So first thing we want to load in is the base. It will fit snug in the very bottom of the Pelican case. The foam is pretty much a perfect fit, so it may take a little effort, but it fits nice and tight. After that goes our spacer piece of foam, which is just solid foam. We will put that on top of the base. Next up, we will pick up the top display, remove the dowel rods, as they will not fit in the foam. All 4 of those are off. And then we pick it up and place it inside the case. Wrap the cord around, and then our last piece of foam is cut to the top of the EasyAssist display. Fits right in there. Next up, go ahead and bag everything up in the bags that it came in. So we will put the dowel rods in the red bag, thumb screws in the blue bag. Have your extra power cable just in case you need it. It will come with the instruction manual as well. Throw it all in there. Right on top, there's a top piece of foam as well for the lid. Go ahead and close your last latch, pick it up, and you're all set, good to go.